Hi my loves and welcome back to my channel. My name is Wambui. If you just bumped into my channel on your YouTube feed, I do content related to makeup, beauty, travel and lifestyle. So if you haven't subscribed already, kindly go ahead and do subscribe, turn on notification bell, which is right next to the subscribe button, and turn it on so that you can get notified every time I put up a new video on the channel. As for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for being so supportive, and I hope that you are loving the content that I'm putting out there. So I'll just get straight into what this video is about. As per the title suggests, I am gonna be showing you how I slay my head wraps, the different styles of how I tie up my head wraps, and I'm also gonna be sharing a hack for those guys who do not have head wraps at home. So stick around for that. I normally do head wraps. Well, I have short hair, but from time to time when I feel lazy to go to my barber and my hair is grown, that's when I do head wrap, because I don't like my hair too long, like the way it is right now. I don't like it how it is. You're gonna see how it is. I don't like it being like that. I like it really a bit shorter than the way size it is right now. So whenever that happens, I normally put on my I normally slay my head wraps, and I hope you're gonna enjoy this video, because I feel like we all need to know how to do a head wrap, because from time to time, I feel like a head wrap just makes you feel like you're an African woman, and just brings out that African woman in you, and yeah, it makes you feel like you're cultured and all that. Okay, so let's get straight into this video. So there you have it, my loves. That is how I style up my head wraps. I hope you love I hope you learned a thing or two, and I hope you're gonna be trying out how to style head wraps. I tried to make it as easy as possible. So with that said, if you haven't subscribed, kindly go ahead and do subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get notified every time I put up a new video. And until my next one, I love you all so much. Bye.